We'll worry about phone calls in a minute. If he had punched it, I probably would have never caught him in the first place. But are there any weapons in the car? No. But you got an extended mag Glock sitting on the fucking passenger seat. Not chambered. But has 27 rounds in it. Unreal. Keep driving south for 10 miles. On your own ways, says keep driving south for 10 miles. You ain't trying to get off your exit, you're trying to